Hello my crafty friends. I'm here with a Happy Mail share from Miss Donna Dreamsx3. Donna is an amazing crafter and she sent this to me a little while ago and I've kept it in a box just so I could share it, but I haven't had time, you guys. Between time and not feeling well, I just wasn't up to doing a lot of videos. So I'm here to share it today. So this is the little piece of ephemera that she used for her card. And she is sending me some sari ribbon. And it was packaged up in this little bag here. Now you guys, this is like drawer liner. I mean, how clever is it to use drawer liner, which I have some of this actually in one of my drawers, in my Alex drawers, in my desk. She used drawer liner to create bags, you know, like a policy envelope, and then made beautiful bag toppers, you know, with a piece of vintage ephemera, some paper in the background, some bling, a cluster of flowers, a little bit of lace that she's rolled up. I mean, just gorgeous. A little blue. I mean, that's like my favorite color, you know, that pale aqua mint color. I mean, this is vintage lace, you can tell it is. And the little bling. And she stapled it on. I mean, how stinky cute is that? And it is a sturdy envelope because it's made out of the vinyl drawer liners. Clever, clever Donna. You are a clever girl. And then in there, because I was not even going to try to shove that stuff back in there, was some beautiful sari ribbons, you guys. Silk ribbon. I was drooling over some that she had sent to Alicia, which is Alicia's Crafty Hoblob now. And I was like, oh my gosh, silk ribbon? I seriously drool factor. And she did beautiful plum color. And you guys, if you could feel this, I wish there was feel-o-vision because this is so, well, nothing softer than silk. My mom used to wear a lot of silk because of her skin issues. But yeah, just feels so good. And I'm going to use this on my dolls as trim. It'll be beautiful. And then this one is just like a variegated, like a golden color, and there's some green in there, and it's just glorious. Thank you so much, Donna. And then she sent some more. And you know, she asked me what colors I wanted. I'm like, I'll happily buy this from you. And she's like, I don't sell it. I just gift it. And I'm like, okay. I think you're crazy for not charging people for this because it is so beautiful. I mean, look at this. This to me just says the ocean, you know, right there. The purples and the blues and the greens, or even, you know, even a dragonfly. Or a mermaid, you know, that's what I think of when I see these colors. It's just beautiful. And there's a lot, you guys. And then this one, you know, again, like a dragonfly or a sea urchin, you know, just something like that. You guys can tell where my brain is. I wish it was a nice day. I would go to the water because, yeah, my soul could use some. But anyway, that's just so beautiful. Thank you so much, Donna. If that wasn't enough, you guys, if that wasn't enough, then she sent this too. And so we have some beautiful basic cream, but there's a little peachy pink in there. You know, just a little bit. Hints there. Hint here and there. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk today, you guys. But it feels so good. I should send it to Anna and make her make me a blanket. I'm kidding, Anna. And then this, you know, gorgeous, gorgeous dragonfly. You know, because we have dragonflies out here that have these colors, like the pink and the golden color and like a rust color, and then the purple and the green. And they are just so beautiful. Just so beautiful. And if that wasn't enough, y'all, I mean, she really, like, hooked me up. Here's another beautiful bag. She's made a little bow. She glued seed beads on there. And a little piece of ephemera on this beautiful paper. And I think this paper, correct me if I'm wrong, Donna, but I think that's Mariposa. Is that Mariposa by DCWV? I think it is. She sent me a ton, and I mean a ton, of die cuts, you guys. And I gotta take the bag topper off because some of them are stuck. Yep. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. She is sneaky. I didn't even look at these except for see the ephemera. She said that these are some of the seam binding colors I had purchased and had in my stash. Donna, you are too sweet. And again, she put it on a piece of ephemera for me to reuse. Awesome. So she's made these beautiful cards, and she's added some seam binding for me because I do go through a lot of seam binding, you guys. I do go through a lot. I tie up packages as well as use them in my dolls sometimes. And usually when I ship out a doll, I wrap it in tissue and seam binding. So yes. And then we have some beautiful ephemera that she has created for me. Oh, wicked cool. Look at all this fun stuff. Digitals, that's gorgeous. I might have to save that one for your card, Donna. I've been planning out, we're doing a little swap, and I'm planning out some of the pieces for her. I love sunflowers. Yes, they're yellow, but they're acceptable. That's the only yellow. Oh, look, in a little envelope. How stinking cute is that? That will, a seed packet. That'll come in great handy. Love that. Oh, these are so awesome. I love the old scripts. I'm trying to be awesome today, but I'm exhausted from being so freaking awesome yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, I can actually relate to that one. Especially today. Oh, isn't she pretty? Oh, love this, because I'm a tea drinker. Oh, I got another one of those. How cool. What an elegant dress. And they made their waist look like blips. I mean, seriously. I'm so glad I didn't have to live in that area where I had to suck everything in all the time. I know I'm so bad, right? I have this one, actually. I have this digital image. Oh, cute. I love it. Oh, hello. Oh, this is like an old postcard. I have a fondness for pansies because they were my grandmother's favorite flower. And roses, my daughter's middle name. And she is so far from girly, it's not even funny. Oh, handmade. These are so amazing, Donna. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, these are so cool. I love. So, so cool. I have that one too. Yep. We share some of the same digitals. Yep. Got that one. And that one. And that one. Yep. That's super cute. Oh, a train. I love that. Okay. Or, I have to save that for my grandson. So cute. This is not for me. It's a nice list. I don't cut the list most years. The bell still rings for all who truly believe. Yes. Yep. I have this collection of digitals. But that doesn't mean that I won't use them because they're already printed out. That makes it easy. Thank you. Now I don't have that one. That's gorgeous. I think I have this one. Pretty sure. There we go. Aw, I love that. I love that. I have quite a few guardian angels. And the corset. Yes, indeed. And coffee makes everything possible. Yeah, I like coffee too, but I drink a lot of tea. Yes, that is gorgeous. And another one of those. I love that. Thank you so much, Donna. And look at the orchids. Oh, just gorgeous. Life should not be a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in an attractive and well-preserved body, but rather to skid in sideways, body thoroughly used up, totally worn out, screaming, woohoo, what a ride. Yes, I have seen this many, many times in my lifetime. And every time I'm like, well, that's pretty much what God's going to get. The rain I'm going, there won't be nothing but dust by the time I get there. This is cool. This is very cool. I love, love. Is that Prima? That kind of looks like Lost and Found to me. I can't remember the collection, but it kind of looks like Lost and Found to me. You'll have to tell me, Donna, if this is Prima. Kind of looks like it. And some more seam bindings, some beige and some hunter green. Thank you so, so much, Donna. I mean, you are just too kind. I don't know what I did to deserve ya and your kindness, but I so appreciate everything that you have sent. So thankful for you. And like I said before, thanks just never seems like enough to me. But I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you good. Anyway, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Make a happy memory and have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.